Change the way you grill with the Stoke Quattro. Not just a new grill, but a new way to grill. With the interchangeable grill insert system, you can change either or both grates with the included pizza stone, vegetable tray, or griddle. Now, grilling isn't just about the meat. Fire up the vegetables, the sides, stone fire a pizza, even make breakfast, so you can cook the entire meal and every meal on your Stoke Quattro. The Quattro is a 4-burner grill with 48,000 BTU and 600 square inches of total cooking area. Porcelain-coated cast iron grates for optimum cooking and added durability. Flame Guard heat tents provide even heating and minimize flare-ups. Use the onboard storage for your grill inserts and spices to keep everything you need on hand. And heavy-duty locking casters to keep everything in place. Now that you're ready to grill everything, you need a grill that will handle anything. Stoke. Ignite your imagination. Available exclusively at the Home Depot.